Good morning, students. I am Ashish Shrivastava. This class belongs to class 6 mathematics, and the name of chapter is playing with number. Today's our topic is factors and multiples. So here the table of 2. How many of you know the table of 2? I think everyone is known the table of 2. So in this table you can see 2 into 1 equals 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8 and so on. So here students, when we multiply the 2 into 1, we get the 2. So here this 2 is multiple of 2 into 1. In the next number, you can see 4 is the multiple of 2 and 2. Here the 6 is multiple of 2 and 3. And so on. 16 is multiple of 2 and 8. So the number which we obtain after the multiplication of 2 or more than 2 numbers is known as the multiple of that numbers. The result or the multiplication that we obtained after the multiplication of 2 or more than 2 numbers is known as the multiples of that number. So here in this example you can see 12 is the multiple of 2 and 6. So 12 is multiple. So what the 2 and 6 are called? What? Yes. These numbers whose product is 12 are known as the factors of 12. So 2 and 6 are the factors of 12. So let's take one more example. Here 4 into 7 equals 28. So here this 28 is the multiple of 7 and 4. It is multiple. While the 4 and 7 are the factor of 28. These both are the factor of 28. Means factors are 4 and 7 and multiple is 28. So understood or not? So the product that we get is multiple, and by which this product is obtained after multiplying 2 or more than 2 numbers are factors. So simple way is there how to find the factors of a given numbers. Think by which numbers the given number is divisible. For example, I'm taking 16. So let's start to think about the 16. By which number this 16 is divisible? Let's start by 1. It is divisible by 1. 1 16 just 16. It is divisible by 2. 2 8 just 16. 3 no. 16 not comes in the table of 3. So 16 is not divisible by 3. 4 yes. 4 4 just 16. So it is divisible by 4. 5 no. 6 no. 7 no. 8 yes. 8 2 ja 16. And 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. 16 is divisible by itself also. So you can see, guys, this 16 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So here it is the multiple. 16 is multiple of 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. And the factor of the 16s are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. So these are the factors and this is your multiple. One thing you can see, let's take one more example, then we clear a doubt. Let's say I'm taking 48. 48 is divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, yes, 5, no, 6, yes. You also can give the answer along with me. Yes, try to find the numbers by which this 48 is divisible after the 6. 7, no, 8, yes. Now after the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yes. 13, 14, 15, 16, yes. 17, 18, 19, 24. And after that it is 48 itself. You can see, guys, the 1 is belongs to both multiples. So this observation concludes us that the 1 is the factor of each number. Either it is natural number, either it is whole number. So 1 is always stand as the factor of each number. So while we are going to find the factors, we never consider 1 as a factor. So I am removing it. And the number itself, its factor. So 16 is the factor of 16. 48 is factor of 48. So we also not considering that number as its factor. Okay, so the rest numbers are the factor of given number. Like the factors of 16 comes 2, 4, 8 and the 48, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and 24. There is a trick also there. You can see here the 8 is the half of 16 and 24 is half of 48. So when you reaches to the half of the given number, then stop to find the factors. No need to find forward. It is a trick. Keep it in your mind. So guys, have you understood what are the multiples and what are the factors? So in such way you can find other factors of other numbers. One thing also, guys, you can observe from these examples that 16 is divisible by 2, 16 is divisible by 4, 16 is divisible by 8 also. So the conclusion is comes that factors always divides its multiple. Let's check it out. Like I'm going to take the 48 and I'm going to divide it by 16. So 16 is the factor of 48. Let's see either it is divisible completely or not. So divide the 48 by 16. So we have 3 jar 16, 3 jar 48 and the remainder is 0. So here we have get the remainder as 0. So it is proven that the multiple is always divisible by its factor, or factor always divides the multiple. So guys, that's all for today. I will send your homework on EduNext app. From there you could download it and you will send your answers or your work on the WhatsApp. So till stay at home and keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Have a nice time.